In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to handle a Bollinger Bands based trailing stop for buy trades. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses Bollinger Bands to manage trades. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor, which can be done by clicking on the icon or pressing F4. The code begins with the inclusion of the Trade Trade.mqh file, which is necessary for trade functions. We create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade. This instance will be used to execute trade operations. The OnTick function is where the main logic of the expert advisor is executed. We declare a static variable called LastStopBollingerBandsValue to store the last stop value of the Bollinger Bands. This helps in tracking changes in the stop value across ticks. We calculate the ask price using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter and normalize it to the number of digits specified by digits, which determines the number of decimal places. Similarly, the bid price is calculated using the symbol bid parameter. The code checks if there are no open positions using the positions total function. If there are no positions, it executes a buy trade of 0.10 lots, which is equivalent to 10 microlots. The trade is placed at the ask price with a stop loss set to 0 and a take profit set 150 points above the ask price. After placing the trade, the LastStopBollingerBandsValue is reset to 0. Next, we create arrays named upper band array and lower band array to store the Bollinger Bands values. These arrays are set to be sorted from the current candle downwards using the arraySetAsSeries function. The Bollinger Bands are defined using the iBands function with parameters for the symbol, period, 20-period moving average, 0 shift, and a deviation of 2. The closing price is used for calculation. The copy buffer function is used to copy the upper and lower band values into the respective arrays. We calculate the last upper and lower band values using the arrays. If the last lower band value is below the bid price and greater than the last stop Bollinger Bands value, we call the check Bollinger by trailing stop function with the last lower band value as a parameter. This function updates the last stop Bollinger Bands value for future calls. Inside the check Bollinger by trailing stop function, we iterate through all open positions using a for loop. For each position, we get the symbol and check if it matches the current symbol. If it does, we retrieve the position ticket and current stop loss. If the current stop loss is below the last lower band value, we modify the position to move the stop loss to the last lower band value using the position modify function. After writing the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. Once the code is compiled, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. In MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. We select the expert advisor we just created, enable visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses Bollinger Bands to manage trades with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope that you can see the buy trailing stop working on your chart right now. But if this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what all the code is doing, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you, you can find it on our website. For now I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.